So far, you have learned how to initialize an array, access array elements, and get the length of the array. In this part, you will learn how to delete an array from your computer's memory. Now, a question arises, that is, why deleting an array after performing necessary operations is a good practice. Once you delete an array after performing your required calculations, you achieve a better memory management. That is, you're not wasting any space which is not needed. To demonstrate this example, I will use the previous script, which is arraylength.sh. Now here I have defined an array containing 5 elements which are numbers, and then I printed the length of the array in the terminal. Now after doing this operation, I will just delete the array from the memory. To do so, I will use the keyword unset, then the name of the array, which is numbers. This will remove or delete the existence of the array from the memory. Now to check whether this array exists or not, I will just print all of its content again. Also, I will print the indices. To print all the array indices, you have to use the exclamation sign before the name of the array. Now, since the array does not exist after this point, where I have written unset numbers, now I will check the output to verify it. So I'll save the script using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now I will execute the script. First, it prints length of array and gives the value to 5. Then it prints 2 blank statements. This means after I have deleted or unset the array, now it is out of existence from the memory, so it cannot print all the contents of the array and also the indices. So that was all about deleting an array in Bash. I hope now you know the proper guidelines to delete an array whenever it's required.